Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on Now We Know channel. And in today's video, we're going to talk about how to fix TikTok following problem. So let's get started. Well, if you're trying to follow someone on TikTok, but it doesn't allow you to do that, here it might be because you've reached the limit of followings on TikTok because there's a daily limit on TikTok, and if you've reached that limit, you won't be able to follow any account, and the limit is 200 accounts per day. Now, if you haven't followed a bunch of accounts recently, then we're gonna tap on profile at the bottom right corner and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Now we're going to tap on the last option, settings and privacy. Here, scroll all the way down till you get to report a problem, so tap on it. This interface will appear, and now we're going to choose the second option, interaction. And here we got follow, so I'm going to tap on it. And now you can hit the third option, enable to follow a user. And now it will walk you through some steps to fix that problem. So switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, clear the app video cache, and restore the app and your device. Now, if you've done all these steps and you still can't follow anyone on TikTok, here we're going to scroll all the way down and hit. So it says, is your problem resolved? Then you can hit no. No. And tap on needs more help. So here you can report your problem, as you can send them a screenshot of the user that you are trying to follow or a video, but it doesn't allow you to do that. And after that, just wait till your problem is solved. And this is it. Thanks for watching. See ya.